Hello and welcome to the Python Academy, the best online resource for learning Python. My name is Kian McCarsell and I'm one of the instructors for this course. I'm a scientist, inventor, and Fortune 50 data science lead. I've taught countless students here at the Python Academy on a variety of topics, including robotics process automation, Python for application development, and most importantly, artificial intelligence and machine learning. This course, Python for Data Analysis, is the next step to broadening your skills in Python. In fact, this is the first class that will allow you to be potentially hired within the Python job market as a data analyst. Pandas, which offers data structures and operations for manipulating numerical tables and time series. Seaborn, which provides a high-level interface for drawing attractive and informative statistical graphics. Matplotlib, which offers an object-oriented API for embedding plots into applications using a general-purpose GUI. Lastly, we will touch on scikit-learn to learn about linear regression.
Upon finishing this course, you will receive a certification that you can use to successfully market your skill set to potential employers. Here at the Python Academy, we certify your progress in Python. And unlike other coding boot camps, our certifications are recognized throughout Fortune 500 companies. We maintain high academic standards, and we hold our students to those standards. We employ a 4-belt system, ranging from the beginner yellow belt, in which you learn to read and write basic Python, to the most advanced black belt system, in which your skill sets will be in the top demand in the job market for the top 5% of job employers. You'll be able to learn things such as machine learning, data mining, automation, and video game development. We use this system because it works. The belt system will serve as a useful benchmark throughout your career in coding, and once a belt is achieved, your skills will get the recognition and the respect that they deserve. Python is one of the most in-demand programming languages in the world. In the last 5 years, demand for Python skills have grown over 20% in companies such as Amazon, Google, and Bank of America. The entry-level salary for a Python programmer is over $70,000 per year, making it the second best paid programming language and one of the easiest to learn. We understand the difficulties that you might be facing, particularly as our nation faces economic uncertainty caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. We automatically offer a 10% discount to both veterans and those currently unemployed due to COVID-19. We also offer a variety of payment plans that work best for you. Options include weekly installment plans as low as $300 per week, or income sharing agreements in which you pay a minimal $200 deposit and you only repay tuition once you land a job earning greater than $40,000 per year. So reach out to a student advisor for more information today.